Hello, my name is Selma. I'm a recent psychology graduate from the University of Westminster, and I'm currently doing the evidence based therapies course with the private therapy clinic. I would like to talk to you about my experience with the course overview, the learning experience, the career guidance that I've received, the support, and where I am in my journey now with navigating through my career as an aspiring clinical psychologist. So, one of the things that I really appreciate about the course is that it provides a comprehensive introduction to evidence based therapies, CBT, psychodynamic therapy, and the course is essentially designed to assist psychology graduates and counselors in the next stage of their professional development. So what it does is that it takes for psychology graduates the everything that you've learned in your undergraduate degree, at least for me, and it's given me the confidence through a very clear structure in terms of how to apply everything that I've actually learned in a practical setting. And through that, we get to have very interesting weekly sessions with very, very highly respected, well esteemed clinicians, experts in the field, and that's been very helpful in absorbing their experiences and in terms of incorporating that within my own journey. It introduces evidence based therapy skills to integrate within your practice. It teaches you how a clinical base runs. It also really helped with boosting my confidence when applying for my master's degree, which thankfully I got into with the help of the clinicians as well and their advice in terms of my career. But this perfectly aligns with my plans, and they've really been very supportive in giving me a lot of guidance and a lot of advice to get where I want to be. In terms of the learning experience within the course, I received in depth training in CBT and psychodynamic therapy. Each week, I found it very interesting that we would tackle certain subjects that were different from one another each week. So that kept everyone very interested and really looking forward to each Monday. And learning how to apply therapeutic and evidence based therapies in the practical setting also really helped me gain valuable insights into therapeutic techniques. So the sessions were not only theoretical, they included practical elements that allowed me to apply what I learned in real world scenarios. In terms of career guidance and support, this was also very beneficial for me. I feel like a lot of people, they don't really know which doctorate course to apply to if they do want to pursue that route. A lot of people don't really know where to specialize in, what they're interested in, and the course really helped me in terms of giving me the clarity that I needed, giving me a lot of explanations from the clinicians, especially the career guidance sessions that we had, which were separate from the Monday sessions. Those are really, really helpful. We'd have them often on Thursdays, and it would just be a breakdown of all the career options that you might want to pursue. Also, the clinicians were excellent. They were very supportive, and they would always make you feel like you could really reach out and ask them questions, and they were very responsive and very, very attentive to any and all questions that you may have. And they would provide you with very in depth advice and guidance. In terms of the practical applications of the course, which to me is one of the most valuable aspects of the course. I had the opportunity to conduct video call psychological assessments with real life clients. So I had the chance to actually do my first screening with the course. And the hands-on experience was truly instrumental in helping me develop my skills in speaking with prospective clients and assessing their suitability for therapy. And the clinic, it, I mean, in terms of the fact that this was my first experience, I genuinely could not have had better support, like the support that I've had with the private therapy clinic, which was absolutely a huge factor that really benefited me within this milestone in my career. They provided me with a lot of feedback. They were very supportive of the whole process, and they really do value and protect the course attendees. And they're very selective with the screening call that you're going to receive, because they do have a variety of cases. They do have a variety of, and everybody has their own needs. So they carefully select you with this screening call that is suitable for your level of experience and of your level of education. In terms of career progression, upon completing the course, soon I will be able to use the title of mental health coach recognized by the private therapy clinic. And there is also the potential of some participants to really get to network with other clinicians. And this is a great opportunity for many, I believe so. But yeah, the experience with the private therapy clinic really helped me with even applying for jobs. It really helped me for applying for my master's. And usually in the application process that I was going through, a lot of people were very intrigued by the evidence-based therapies course. So a lot of employers would reach out to me. They would ask me questions about the course, because it is a very unique experience, and it's not common at all to find, especially with a clinic as well known as the private therapy clinic. So that really helped me, and the endorsement and the support of Dr. Becky was very helpful as well, in terms of my application process, in terms of my career aspirations, which is something that I hold very dear. And I guess it's safe to say that overall, with everything that I've mentioned thus far, particularly within the fact that each Monday session sort of has its own different purpose in terms of what we're learning. And as I spoke previously about how the course also helps you with identifying your specific areas of interests, the course obviously really helped me in terms of that sense, and I managed to find my specific area of interest. But it doesn't only limit you to one specific area. So the course provided me with a lot of various different areas, whether it's clinical or counseling based, and each student would pick their specific areas of interest. We would be provided with a lot of reading lists to read at your own time. And the assignments I found to be very interesting as well. We had the opportunity to write a blog so far in the course about our special area of interest. And the really good blogs that really stood out would be added on the website, which was very exciting for all of us course attendees. So this was a really good experience. It was very encouraging as well. And it's really opened my mind to learning more in depth about the specific area of interest that I've chosen. And within the area of interest that I've chosen as well, which was perfectionism, I managed to also branch out and learn more along the way of different comorbid disorders as well that might be intertwined with perfectionism, with causes and with correlates. And it's just helped me become more well-rounded and more well-versed in different areas as well. So you're not only going to be limited to the one special area of interest. So another great aspect of the course as well is that this experience allowed me to tailor my learning experience to suit my unique passions and my unique curiosities, while helping supporting me with personal and professional development in my career and in my aspirations. So overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this experience. I genuinely could not recommend it enough. It's really, really been a huge stepping stone, especially where I'm at right now in terms of I had just graduated in July, and then I started the course in September. And the course is a year long, so it's been really, really helpful. The duration has been really, really helpful of the course. The fact that it's also 1 day a week, sometimes 2 days a week, with Thursdays being for the career goals and aspirations session, has been really helpful, and it's been really flexible for a lot of different people on the course. It's very diverse in terms of its candidates. Everybody is more or less in different career areas in their lives, in terms of their progression of their career. So there are some people who work full time, some people who work part time, some people who are still looking for a job, they're unemployed, some people doing their masters. So it was really beautiful to see everybody sort of come as a one in this course, and you really do get to learn a lot from your course attendees as well. So it's been overall, my experience has been amazing. And yeah, I highly recommend it for other future students as well, and other people who want to progress in their career. Thank you.